Everyone. My name is Shweta Pandey and I am a PhD student from Desh Bhagat University, Punjab, India. Today I would like to present some of my research on a secure and managed cloud storage system using encryption with the machine learning approach, which includes cloud storage platform is a very promising architecture which is provided by the cloud service providers to their users so that user can keep and access data or resources on demand basis through the internet. And migration or duplication of memory has been used by the cloud storage providers to save bandwidth. So to come overcome this problem, a secure cloud storage model is proposed during through the encryption with the machine learning approach, and this research aimed to make searching efficient of the stored text documents in a cloud by using machine learning techniques. In my presentation, I will use some of keywords, which is cloud computing, cloud storage, security, encryption, similarity measure, classification. So, one very important reason why cloud users rely on cloud provider is basically they deliver the data with a high security. And to provide security, they use cryptography, which is very widely accepted technique. And the another thing is that cloud storage facility, which they have to use, is known as specific subwoofer within the cloud computing platform. And the main requirement of today's cloud storage provider is to store large amount of data with a very minimum cost. So by which a secure cloud storage has been designed using cryptography approach. I reviewed some of the papers, which is first is Agili. He has used DES as a security algorithm for the cloud storage. So the result indicated that good data accuracy has been provided against the attacker, as the attacker has not to assess confidential data. And the second paper is Khali. He presented a new mechanism to provide security for the cloud data using an RSA approach with the two prime numbers. So with this approach, data security has been increased to the desired security level based on the user's request or the importance of the data. This one is also the paper which I reviewed. Is basically designed a framework which is being defended data based on classified data. So the dedicated server has been selected using the fitness function of the Cuckoo search algorithm. So after the selection of an appropriate server, elliptic curve integrated encryption has been used so that they can encrypt the data towards the user side and transmit the data towards the cloud service provider. And service provider also use the encrypted algorithm, which is with the help of AES approach. And at last, the system has provided better confidentiality of data with a higher computing efficiency. More papers. The one of is Tyagi and Abdul. And so Tyagi basically designed the cloud model using AES and RSA as an asymmetric algorithm. So the confidentiality of the data along with data security has been obtained by the integrating these two techniques, and the performance has been analyzed with the AES, RSA and AES with RSA approach. And the Abdul Kader have used the cryptography technique twice in the design model. So first initially one-time password has been generated and then plain text has been classified in two parts, and each part is encrypted by the separate key. So using this approach, the complexity as well as the data size has been reduced. In my proposed work, I proposed the entire work in two parts, the authentication and encryption. And for authentication, the appropriate user login panel is designed, which is in two parts, that is user ID and password. And password must be 8 characters. And if you, for the wrong password, we have an following algorithm. Minimum of 8 characters is needed, and the second one which we need is captcha code. So in this captcha code is very advanced technique. So almost everyone came across such an undesirable things as a captcha. So for authentications, we use that. So here we have a code, a basic code for user ID and password and captcha in our right side of the screen. And after doing this, we have another thing which is an authentication. And next step is to apply similarity measure, that is cosine similarity, to check between similarity among the uploaded document. And for that similarity measure, we applied some coding here, that is a cosine similarity algorithm. Flow of work. This is the proposed flow of work in where a user gets in the system through his user ID, password, and captcha. If it is matched, he can easily upload his data, and after uploading the data, The data will evaluate on the cosine similarity algorithm, and then after that it will evaluate their complexity, radical complexity with the encryption algorithm. And if everything goes well, it will classify it and then it's stored in a cluster. And if the user's ID and password doesn't match, he should again he needs to enter again his ID and password. See that after the similarity, after the cosine similarity algorithm, we just send the data to the radical complexity. So the similarity between the document, the next step, evaluate the radical complexity of the documents based on the level of complexity. Selection of encryption algorithm has been done. So using radical complexity finder, it become very easy. So execution time has been saved. Transmission of documents towards the encryption block. They save the timing. So, an appropriate selection of encryption technique saves time as well as reduces the chances of data loss. Algorithm for the complexity. In this, we have two things basically. One, the data which is already stored, and another data which we uploaded. And to calculate this complexity, we apply the formula of complexity probability, which returns us the complexity probability. Data, now the encrypted data is passed to the neural network as a classification approach. So this is used to select an appropriate space so that cloud server, so that we can store the data on the cloud server by the cloud provider. So now we have two more points, which is AES and DSA. So what is AES? AES is an advanced encryption standard, and it is a symmetric key encryption algorithm in which each cipher is having a 128-bit size block and a key size. Now, what is the key size? Key size is used for an AES cipher, specifies the number of transformation rounds that convert the input called the plain text into the final output called the ciphertext. Next, which we have, that is Diffie-Hellman DSA, and it is used to provide a secure key exchange between the cloud user and the cloud service provider. The data is transferred to the neural. So here we have artificial neural network. So main contribution of this work is to provide security of cloud data using similarity with encryption and as a machine learning approach. So it is an artificial intelligence approach which we use in machine learning. So as a neuron indicates that it is related to brain stimulation system, which aim is to replicate what people have learned. Next in diagram we have ED, which is encrypted data, encrypted document, and neural network is a hidden layer in between input layer and output layer. And it is an excellent tool for human programmer to find out many difficult problems or the problem that is too large to be taught to drive and recognize. Now we have results and discussions of this paper. So it is divided in four parts: precision, recall, F measures, and accuracy. These results have been analyzed when we process the testing. So at that time, we have this numbers, we have this graph. So what it shows, it is seen that the documents are uploaded with a higher security value while using an approach compared to the similarity index approach. We have recall, and the recall rate is using the AN approach is less compared to the cosine similarity index. So it is possible only because the similarity approach with the encryption and AN approach very well performed to find the similarity between the uploaded text documents as well as the features that are used to during the training time are exactly used by the classifier and hence reduced falsely detected documents. F measure, which represents the average selection of truly matched features. Whatever is properly matched, they will give that average representation. So from basically from figure, we can recognize that F score analyzed using an approach is higher than the cosine similarity technique. Accuracy, and it designed to secure cloud system. So in the figure we can see that it's observed that with the increase in the number of uploaded text documents, the accuracy of design system decreases. And this is because when increases in number of the text documents, the chances of relevant features as well as irrelevant features increases, so which results in reduction of detection accuracy. Conclude this, and in our conclusion we are discussing like we everyone knows that in the world of IT everything is moving to adopt new trending things, new technologies. so that you can access from anywhere, anytime, any corner of the world, you can access your data. So this work has presented, basically this my work has presented a neural network based cloud storage security system with the encryption and cosine similarity approach. So the design model which offers the data security with a very high performance rate in four terms, that is precision, recall, F-score, and accuracy. And we analyze the similarity between the data with the help of cosine algorithm. So, and the next what we have done is based on AES and DSA, which is an encryption approach is, so the document has been encrypted and the results have been computed in the cloud sim, which is in a simulator. So from the results, it has been analyzed that the design algorithm stored data is better way with a high security. Thank you everyone. So I'm really very pleased that I have that great opportunity to be here today, and thank you so much. Thank you.